Winner stays on. Pick the best T20 player of 2025.
Okay, let's do it.
Dewal Brevis or Rashid Khan?
Dewal Brevis.
Dewal Brevis or Mitchell Marsh?
Dewal Brevis again.
Dewal Brevis or Romario Sefard?
Dewal Brevis.
Dewal Brevis or Pathum Nissanka?
I think Pathum Nissanka.
Pathum Nissanka or Saifzada Farhan?
Pathum Nissanka again.
Pathum Nissanka or Phil Salt?
Phil Salt.
Phil Salt or Tim Seifert?
Phil Salt.
Phil Salt or Saim Ayub?
Phil Salt again.
Phil Salt or Jacob Duffy?
I think Jacob Duffy.
Jacob Duffy or Tilak Verma?
Tilak Verma.
Tilak Verma or Rostan Chase?
Tilak Verma again.
Tilak Verma or Sikandar Raza?
Tilak Verma.
Tilak Verma or Abhishek Sharma?
Abhishek Sharma.
Abhishek Sharma or Josh Butler?
Abhishek Sharma again.
Abhishek Sharma or Hardik Pandya?
Abhishek Sharma.
Abhishek Sharma or Travis Head?
Abhishek Sharma again.
Abhishek Sharma or Varun Chakrabarti?
Comment down whom will you pick.